So today's drive was really cool and nice. Car gives a different kind of a feeling, bike gives a different feeling. So this is one very beautiful place near Pune. It was like different machines, different emotion, but just one connect, and that is with road. Most of my mornings look like this, that there's a helmet, there are gloves, and there's bike and open road where I'm riding, enjoying cool breeze and enjoying the machine. But today it's going to be a little different because I am going to be with my car for this entire day. Well, I'm sure that car gives a different kind of a feeling, bike gives a different feeling, but I really want to record this. Let's unlock this machine. So right now car is dusty. So first I'm going to go and wash the car and then hit the roads. Let's go now. Fuel stops always remind me of long rides, conversations with strangers, planning the next stretch of road. But today it's different journey. Just spending time understanding a machine that many of us drive every single day. Well, I'm fueling up car and it is a very different experience. Reason, bike में तो 1-2 हज़ार रुपए में full tank हो जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर of course it is different story. Just like me, I think even you like your bikes and cars to be clean. So before hitting roads, it's mandatory to actually clean your car. And standing here today, washing this car, I realized something interesting. Maybe every machine deserves the same attention because whether it's 2 wheels or 4 wheels, performance begins long before the journey starts. Before every ride, there is always a ritual. Checking the tires, feeling the brakes, making sure everything is ready for the road. It's something riders do almost without thinking. I've spent years understanding motorcycles, how they respond, how they perform, how they feel on the road. But today I'm curious if I see and if I can connect with the car in the same way. The first few minutes feel different. On a motorcycle, city traffic feels like a puzzle. You read the gaps, move it through the space, flow into the rhythm of the road. But inside the car, the experience changes. You become part of the traffic instead of moving through it. And then something changes, the road opens up, the traffic disappears, and suddenly the drive becomes smoother. On a motorcycle, speed is something you feel through the wind. In car, you feel it through stability. The car glides on highways. And the more the road stretches ahead, the more you start appreciating how smoothly the engine delivers the power. Well, this was one wonderful drive. I went through city, then hit the highway, and right now I'm here. So this is one very beautiful place near Pune, and I really love to come here because there's water and you feel very serene. Right now we are in summer, so there's no greenery around me, and it looks a little pale and yellow, but in monsoons this place is so pretty. Here there are many forts nearby. Most important, we also have Lonavala, which is near to this place. Spending entire day driving made me realize one thing. You drive or you ride. You always chase for that thrill, for that control, for confidence that you get when you ride or drive, and most important, peace that you feel on road. When we talk about drive and so many things that is related to road, I really want to share my favorite companion, and that is none other than Castrol Edge. Throughout the day, the car goes through something very similar to what most people experience daily. Short whips, traffic signals, sudden acceleration, and each time you press the throttle, the engine has to respond instantly. As someone who rides performance machines, I am used to feeling how engines behave. With Castrol Edge, performance of my machine has improved with 30%. And most important is now I don't drive hard, I drive smart. I have consistent performance, smoother engine, and the acceleration is smooth and very quick. Well, this is what performance means when you consider real roads. Well, that is the major reason that I trust Castrol Edge for all my cars. At the end of the day, it is never about 2 wheels or four wheels. It is always about consistency, performance, and the smooth glide that you do on road and the journey. Well, today was a different day for me. I was not with my bike, but I was with my car, and I thoroughly enjoyed it with this scenic location, which is a very small spot in Pune, but a very beautiful and very calm and serene one. Let me know in comments how did you find this video, and please suggest me few more places to go with my car near around Pune, and I'll be more than happy to go there and shoot. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.